If you use Google Contacts to store your client details, you can import them directly to OnePageCRM by connecting the two. You can find the import and export page from your user profile. Under the Direct Import section, select Google Contacts. If you haven't yet connected your Google account, you can do so here. An important thing to note before starting is that all contacts being imported will need either a last name or an organization name associated with them. Click Next and decide which contacts you want to import. You can select all contacts or choose to only import contacts with a specific label attached. If selecting this option, you can choose to turn these labels into OnePageCRM tags on import. Next, move on to the preferences. Here you'll set the owner for the contacts and their lead status. There's also the option to apply any tags you'd like, as well as a next action, so you don't forget to follow up. Click Next, review your preferences, and you're all set to import your contacts. If you have imported any of these same contacts from Google previously, they will be ignored during this import, so as not to create any duplicates.